Sorry, boys. I didn't sleep much last night. You should maybe yawn now, too. Now you got me. They say yawns are contagious. Oh, here I go again. Me too. Me three. Why can't I stop? Guys, I'm scared. What the f is going on? How do we stop it? I don't know. It just keeps getting bigger. I'm freaking out. Do we call 911? I don't know. My jaw hurts. Hey, what, my mommy? Try holding your breath. Oh my God, it stopped. You guys okay? That was messed up, man. Whoa. That got a little crazy. I think I'm gonna go home, guys. I'm a little tired. No! Don't do it! No!